Aberdeen has been widely considered to have some of the most beautiful beaches in not only West Africa but the entire world. The view you're seeing here is of Lumley Beach, Freetown, Sierra Leone. It is one of the most popularly visited beaches by both tourists and also Sierra Leoneans at large. Unfortunately, over the last decade or so, there has been a steady decline in maintenance of natural beauty and general upkeep of this beautiful place. There are a few NGOs and individual contributors who have attempted to help with upkeep of the beach from time to time, but consistency has been lacking. With partnership with local businesses and vendors, including individual contributors like yourselves, Vlog for Good is hoping to establish a long-term solution through a monthly cleanup that will be planned out with other cleanup efforts to ensure all gaps are covered and the beach is constantly clean. We're partnering with the community to ensure accountability at the local level and also partnership with the Sierra Leone National Tourist Board to ensure long-term efforts of this cleanup. However, we need your help. We're looking forward to having volunteers and initial investment to purchase these cleanup items such as cleanup boots, wheelbarrows, trash bags, shovels, reusable gloves, construction vests, amongst others. Donations can be made directly on our website at vlogforgood.com. You can take a look at our blog post. Additionally, those who are interested in volunteering can sign up online by visiting vlogforgood.com. Links will be posted on this video as well. Also, feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns at vlogforgood@gmail.com.